Hello guys. I'm talking about a complete AdSense for beginners, and I'm here to announcing the complete AdSense guide for the beginners. If you are more curious regarding this, you can ask me in comment box. If you have read this earlier, this is going to be a really tough and really important all the time lecture for the newcomers, and I am here to announcing that this phenomenal lecture going to be held in today's lecture. So far in this guide, we shall explore various facets of Google AdSense program. We will begin with a brief introduction to AdSense. No, sit here. Next, to understand how AdSense program works. Moreover, we will also discuss role of advertisement and publishers in this program. You shall also talk about users of AdSense and their profile. Then we will move on this to discussing how publisher, advertiser, and Google itself is benefiting from this program. Next, we will look at why advertising and especially publishers love AdSense. The guidance would be incomplete without a discourse in competition faced by Google AdSense program. This then will compare this program in India and USA. In addition to this, you will also come to know top of beneficiaries of AdSense program in India. What is Google AdSense? It is useless to reinvent the wheel. Hence, I will not. My definition is it available on Wikipedia. So, according to Wikipedia, Google AdSense is a program run by Google in that allows publisher in the Google network of content site to serve automatic text, image, videos, and rich media adverts that are targeted to site content and audience. I hope the definition is quite clear, but again, I will again put across my words. When you go online and visit a website, you might have noticed ads showing in between the web page you are reading. Those ads are nothing but Google AdSense ads. It is also known as contextual advertising. Check the images below for demo of AdSense ad on websites. So everyone is looking for this enormous, and it is a good way to talk about this one. Actually, when I was really frustrating, I must say, in its importance. If you have more curious about this, you can ask me. Thank you very much.